everyone. In this video, I am going to be giving proof of my concept for my project. For this module, I chose to take a unique approach to our project. I'll be creating a virtual reality or VR scrapbook / lookbook for Williamsburg, Brooklyn. This virtual reality scrapbook will have authentic images of Williamsburg, related facts, location marks, and royalty-free music to make the interactive experience immersive. The two driving ideas for this project are both personal and professional. From a personal standpoint, I love Williamsburg and visit often, and I also take pictures of my favorite locations. I'm unsure if I want to move there one day, so I figured this lookbook can act as a way for me to reflect on the history and my experiences there. This lookbook can also act as a way for other potential residents to explore the highlights of Williamsburg through their computer or smart device without the restraint of money or time. This is to the VR medium I'll be using to create my scrapbook, which is RoundMe. And RoundMe is a virtual tour site that was made by real estate professionals looking for the most efficient way to advertise properties. So it really directly correlates with my personal principle for this project. Professionally, I have been an educator and want to see how this project can be made into geography lessons. Some of you may know that I resigned from my teaching position last year to complete my master's, but I do plan to return to education after completing my degree. So I wanted to make sure this project was something that I could use in my professional life if I ever had the opportunity to. So after analyzing the New York State K-8 social studies framework, there are geographical principles that stretch across all grade levels. So this means that my VR scrapbook / lookbook can act as a visual representation or a simulation or of a borough in New York, as well as an example of a summative project that I might want students to complete at the end of a thematic unit. And this idea also aligns with UDL principles, which play a huge role in my teaching philosophy. So now I just briefly want to show you what I've created so far in RoundMe. So if I go to my profile, I'm going to go to my drafts. And so here I've already started to make my virtual reality scrapbook / lookbook. This is an actual image I took near the Williamsburg Bridge. And I have made it into a 360 image. It was initially a panoramic image, but it wasn't a full 360, so I had to do some tweaking to it to make it rotate the full way around. One thing that I've already added in is music, so I can make it more of an immersive experience for those that transact with it. So this music will play once you go on to my virtual reality scrapbook. I'm just going to turn that off for now. But one thing that I plan to do is add facts throughout my scrapbook. So this won't be the only location within it, but because we're near the Williamsburg Bridge, that is a big landmark here in Williamsburg, so I plan to add facts about the history of it to make my virtual reality scrapbook more authentic and real to my mission. And I can do that by adding information boxes, and I can add a title and a text box to my space. I'm still tinkering and playing around with RoundMe so I can make the most of its features and functions to fit my project, but I'm overall proud of what I have produced so far, and I will continue to be taking 360 and panoramic images of Williamsburg to include in my portfolio. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I look forward to seeing your content.